Hello everyone, and today I am going to discuss a simple web server application using ESP8266 module, and here I am going to send a simple text hello world text to my web browser. So to implement this, then we need to include the few library, that is ESP8266 Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi client.h, ESP8266 web server.h. Then followed by here I am designing my ESP8266 as an access point mode. So I am just going to create a username and password for my ESP8266. So I am providing ESP8266 username and password. Then I am initializing the server and ESP8266 web server, the server port 80. So here the default port is 80. You can use other than 80 also. And I written a function called handle root, and this will actually sending a simple plain text welcome to ESP8266 to my browser. And here the 200 is the I'm sending the HTTP status OK response to my browser, and followed by I'm assigning the text plain. It means I'm going to send a simple text to my browser, and followed by this is my text, welcome to ESP8266 world. And I have a two method, setup and loop. First I will explore the setup, and I am going to do configuration in the setup mode. First I will be setuping my ESP8266 as an access point mode. So I am calling Wi-Fi.mode Wi-Fi underscore AP. And then I'm just setting up my soft access point to establish the Wi-Fi network connection. So I'm just passing my ESP8266 username and password, and followed by I'm getting the IP address by calling Wi-Fi.soft.app function. Now I'm starting my server, and when the client requests a web page by entering ESP IP address, so which data to be sent, it is handled by the subroutine and that subroutine name. So here I am just giving the two argument, server.on and the root path, then followed by subroutine name, and the handle root is the subroutine name. Inside that subroutine I return the simple plain text. That text will be passing to my browser. Now I will be starting my server.begin, and your server is started. Then I will be going to the loop function. Here I am calling the client, okay, server.hand client. It will be handle the client request. So it should be called in the loop, and this calls the function set with the server.on. So this is the simple code I am going to use, and I am going to print the welcome message in my browser. So now let's go to the demo.